Hey everybody, it's Andrea again. Christina wanted me to make a little video to show you guys how to export your grades, your gradebook to Excel. It's quite simple. So I am at Enter Grades and I'm going to hit Export. And let me see if I can scroll down just a little bit, move my screen down just a tad. So I'm going to move my screen down just a tad. And you see at the bottom you have these options to export to CSV or export to Excel. So you can decide really what you want to export and how you want it to be exported. If you just want to see like our ALDCA students, you can select section membership and then it'll walk you through the steps. But this is one of my high school classes, so I'm not going to choose those. You can also pick like what grade items you want to export. So, like for example, if you want to know just test grades, you can just download whatever test grades you want. So if you want to download it, just make sure that it's clicked. So then you just kind of scroll down, make sure everything is there that you want to have included. And these are my unused items. I'm going to unclick those because I don't want to see those. It's going to mess up my spreadsheet and I don't want to see them. So I'm not going to download those. So now I'm going to export to Excel. And it is downloading. And then down at the bottom, or you just click download, and then it will actually appear at the bottom of your screen. So it is right there. So I'm going to open it up. And then I'm going to have to enable editing. So then when you click on enable editing, then you can manipulate the data however you want to. So you can see here is the actual, the test and then the alphabetical grade. So I'm going to enable editing. And I always like to see like what is their actual final grade in percent. Okay, I don't want to like is it a B? How close are they to an A? Is it an F? How close are they to a D? So if you scroll over here, they're going to give you like this is the total points earned divided by the total points possible. And that gives you an A. Well, you know, what kind of an A? You know, obviously we can tell if it's 100%, but I just want to see what is the percentage of their grade. So I just go where there is an empty column, and I'm going to type a formula equal, and then I'm going to put DB2, and I just clicked on that, divided by DC2, and then I just hit enter. And we see that this kid has a 93%. So I want to see what everybody's grade is. So I'm just going to pull the little pull handle here and copy this formula all the way down. And that is their percentage grade. And I don't like how this looks. I just want a straight percent number. So I just highlight my column. And up here, you can tell like what format you want the number in. And I just click the percent sign. And that is much neater. Okay, so that's how you can see like what is their actual grade, their percentage grade points earned. So that is how you download your gradebook to Excel. You can just kind of play around with it and see what's going on. But I hope this is helpful.